So welcome back to MainStation. Today I'll be going over some trades I'm going to do, and one trade I'm going to do on Bitcoin, and one trade I did on Apple. So this is Bitcoin, as you can see. We have BCUSD right here on Coinbase. Yeah, so this is the downtrend we've been seeing since 14th November, and it's been quite easy to trade, in my opinion, for a downtrend. We have seen very clear bear flags. As you can see, we had one right here. We had a nice equilibrium with a high, a low, a lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a higher low, and breaking of support. So I didn't trade this one, but you could have. Then we made a new low and went into a bigger EQ. As you can see, high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, broke support again. And so it's just an equilibrium. It's mostly just many bear flags breaking. And if it's more bear flags than bull flags breaking in an equilibrium, it's like an indicator for the continuation of a downtrend and a bearish momentum in general. So we've been also seeing this downtrend line since beginning of December, and it's been consistently rejecting from this trend line since then. And as you can see, with the bear flag right here, broke very nicely, had a retrace. I traded this one, as you can see right here. Entered also I entered bearish here since I thought it would break. Got stopped out. The arrows are indicating where I traded. I got stopped out because it went up again, and traded right here and right here again. Also, I got stopped out right here since it went up. But if you make more space for your stop losses, then it should be no problem, since the bearish momentum is just continuing. Like if you also enter here bearish and set a stop loss maybe here, then you would still be in a trade and make profit on the downtrend. But you can do as you want. This is of course just paper trading, so I don't want to give any information about any broker. I mean, it's on TradingView, so everyone can do this. That's also the purpose of this channel, or at least one purpose, so that you can just trade alongside what I'm trading. And yeah, so a bear flag broke very nicely, went into another bear flag, or it's in an equilibrium, or it was in an EQ, since we had a low, a high, a higher low, a lower high, a higher low, lower high, and a very nice rejection bearish from the trend line. So I also traded this right here. As you can see, I went short here, or on this candle, since it broke support of this candle, and exited my position down here. So what we are now forming, like we had a bear flag, then a break of it, since a break of it, a retrace a bit above it, but I wasn't concerned since we had this trend line right here coming, and also just many resistances. So I expected to move lower, which happened, And if we go to the 1 hour chart, we can see here with an ascending channel, and this happens actually quite often after bear flags, since they move into EQs, into equilibriums, which is just basically a tightening range like this, or a pennant, as someone might call it. Yeah. So remove this one. Yeah. As you can see, it did this move and then broke again on to the downside. And as I said, I exited below the support right here. Yeah. And now we are actually waiting for another bear flag or an equilibrium. I already wanted to trade this, but got stopped out on this huge wick candle. And now I want to be in a position after breaking off this support. So I set my enter position for a short one. I want to enter my short position just below this candle, around, as you can see, 3,228, and I'm waiting to fill. We see just now a wick down. It's been very choppy over here, so not too clear. I'm not too fond of the situation, which is the reason why I have my stop loss right here. Yeah, so you can also set your stop loss below here, or yeah, I just got filled and we see the break. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's interesting. If we get down to here, it's gonna be interesting, since we actually made a lower. Oh, we didn't. What? Oh, no, we did. We made a lower low this day. So all year new low has been set. I'm now in my position. We could very well see a rebound of this bottom and go into a bigger equilibrium, like form a low, like maybe this is a higher low in one candle. This is very possible, and then see a lower high. Maybe this is already our low high. We can't say yet. And maybe from here a higher low, and this is then more clear on the 4 hour chart, and we may see another EQ until we get to this trend line and maybe reject from it once more and see then more downside. So yeah, we rebound just yet. I'm now in the red, as you can see. We have increasing volume, so that's interesting, which could be an indicator for a break. We have to see it, but yeah, this is my position in BTC. So what you really want to look out for is a break beyond like 3,200, and then I don't think we will see much more downside until 3,000, because there is a strong support level. If we go to Bitfinex, I laid out the extended Fibonacci measurement, and shout out to I Love Crypto on YouTube. I got this from him and it's very useful. I might be explaining it in another video, but it's basically a measurement of a movement before to expect later movements. So as you can see, we are going to measure from the move of 2014 and the big downtrend after it. And as you can see, it's been respecting it quite nicely, the price. We have resistance here, support, support again, a resistance, then again support, and you can see it's been trading very nicely between these channels. And when you don't know what Fibonacci is, you can read about it, and it's also been calling the top of the movement, which is pretty awesome, like pretty damn awesome. And yeah, as you can see, the 561 is usually a very important point for resistance and support, and it's been respecting also this quite nicely. So as you can see, at 3000 pretty exactly, we have the 2618 support level, and it's been supporting it here. It's been resisting it here, and yeah. So I can see a strong support level right here, and it could be a legit buy signal to go long, maybe for an extended period of time, maybe for a couple of days. We'll see. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Now, in a position in Apple, so we had this continuation of bear flags, as you can see. If we go to a 4-hour chart, you can see the downtrend that happened here, and it's been forming bear flags and bear flags and bear flags. We have here, and this channel just broke. It's been not too clear. You could say it's an ascending triangle, but this wick is just from the wick up in SPY, which happened on the 11th of December. So I don't see it as that valuable, because you can just extend this like here, right here, and have a very nice bear flag, which just broke. I entered my position on the breaking of this line, and I got filled, I think, either the last day or maybe this day on, I don't know exactly, because as you can see, I got filled right here. Oh no, I got filled this morning. Yeah, this morning on the break of it. I wanted to exit here, to enter here, but as you can see, we had a gap down. So I will be sitting tight. I should move my stop loss beyond this candle. Actually, I don't know about this, but we could see a retrace up to this trend line and then reject from it and see lower lows, or at least a double bottom. So it might be too cautious, but I'll be going for it. Maybe I'll learn from it, I don't know yet. So this is the trade I've been in Apple. Pretty simple movements. Also, what I wanted to show you, what was it? I don't know. Has it been Bitcoin? Whatever. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you'll be looking into paper trading and be forming new experiences and learn from them, because that's the way you learn to do things the right way. Practice over practice over practice. So I'll be seeing you most likely next week. So have a nice weekend, and we'll be back to MainStation. See ya.